Today I'm going to replace the fuel filter, and it's located right down in here. See the canister? Alright, this is a 29 millimeter. I don't normally use these knuckle busters. I really don't like them, but I found a use for it today. Well, I need a bigger wrench. Alright. I'm using a really long extension to give me clearance. The filter comes out with the new filter. The hull goes towards the bottom. Alright, with the old one, let's take out or remove the old O-ring on the new one. The tools used to do this project is a low profile socket, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, and a hook to remove the gasket, and a flashlight.